How's it going, my fellow degenerates? It's been a little bit. It's been a little bit since we've covered some high short interest stocks, and you guys saw the title. We have 5 to break down in this video. We're going to go over the charts, my thoughts, my game plan, all of that, guys. So hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe. Of course, take a sip of, well, I don't know if you have fresh OJ, but take a sip of whatever you guys got. Cheers, and get your stocks from Mumu. Open up your account using that link down below. Deposit at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $2,000. Get this, guys. You get 25 more stocks. And overall, your uninvested cash right now will earn up to 8.1%. APY. So guys, if you want free money and you want to help out the channel, use that link down below or simply go to starsurfest.com/Mumu. It is that easy. And with that being said, cheers again. Let's get into it. So guys, we are heading into this week, which, by the way, today's Monday. The stock market's closed. Donald Trump is getting in office literally as I'm making this video, right, guys? So yeah, markets are closed. It's MLK Jr. Day, and we're heading into tomorrow, well, with a pretty short week ahead of us. Not a very short week. We still have 4 days of trading, but it's going to be shorter than usual, right? And we're in an interesting position. Again, Trump's in office now. We're coming off of last week, which was a ridiculous week for the stock market, and Friday was insane. I'm interested to see how we do tomorrow. And if the stock market is anything like the crypto market right now, guys, it's going to be a beautiful green day. Tomorrow, last I checked, the crypto market, Bitcoin's ripping, all the other coins, at least that I'm looking at, are running like crazy. So, yeah, I think if, stocks are anything like crypto tomorrow, it's going to be a very good day across the board. So let's dive into these 5 high short interest stocks, which, by the way, guys, these are very risky. Keep that in mind. I don't mess around with these stocks with money that I'm not willing to lose. I'm not putting my life savings in these stocks. I'm putting in a small amount of money. And full disclosure, I'm not in any of these as of now. Keep that in mind. So the first stock on the list is ticker symbol MVIS, Microvision, which went up 18% on Friday, guys. So clearly momentum is building up, obviously, right? We're, clearly starting to break out here out of this wedge on the 4-hour chart. You guys see that? We're above both moving averages. And with the move on Friday, 18%, guys, we were able to break out of the highs from the last couple of days, and now it looks like we're getting ready to make a move for 170, maybe higher, which you guys can see. 170, $1.70 was the high from the end of last year. So in my opinion, guys, the way things are gearing up right now, we're getting ready for a move, a breakout here. It's already starting, and I think more momentum could be coming here, guys. And the fact that with the move on Friday, we took out these 2 highs right here, the fact that we did that is a very good sign. You guys can see here, middle of July, we hit about $1.40. Also in the middle of October, we hit that point. So we, broke out of that, closed above it on Friday. Very, very good sign. So MVIS making a big move here. I want to see if that continues. Almost forgot to mention, it has 26% short interest as of right now. Pretty nutty if you ask me. So that's MVIS. We also have Groupon, ticker symbol GRPN, which is worth watching. This one's a little bit beaten up as of last week, but not too bad. We went down from $12.75 to about $10.65. You guys can see here we are maintaining an uptrend, kind of. We're fighting to at least above this 180 moving average on the 4-hour chart. So this one's a bit wonky on the charts, but it does have a 35% short interest. We're fighting to hold trend here after we got beaten up a bit last week. So heading into this week, guys, the short week, Tomorrow morning, I want to see if we start getting buyers to come in here in the mid-high 10s. And if we break back over 11, 1150, that would be ideal. Maybe we start making a big move. From there, ultimately, I could see this stock, Groupon, get back to the teens, guys. GRPN is the ticker, and we've talked about Hertz a lot here on the channel. Not a lot, I guess, but on these episodes that we do, the high short interest stocks. And I want to do a follow-up, guys. It looks like Hertz is about to go wild. I don't know about you guys, but to me it does. It has 33.7% short interest. And if I zoom in a bit here on the 4-hour chart, you guys can see we're holding an uptrend pretty clearly. Obviously, I mean, we have been for months in this channel. And it's pretty obvious we're putting in a bottom at the bottom of the channel, right? We're putting in higher lows. And now we're above both moving averages on the 4-hour chart, and we're testing $4.20 right now pretty much, which was the high from about 2 weeks ago. We got hit there 2 weeks ago, then we got rejected, or then we sold off all the way to 340, which, by the way, we held a higher low, and now we've rebounded. So we're retesting this level from 2 weeks ago, $4.20. And I'm looking at this like, okay, 33% short interest. The chart looks really good. I'm thinking if HTZ gets out of 420, guys, it's going to go wild. I don't know. I think it's going to go towards $5, maybe above $5. And out of all the stocks, man, on this list today, I think this one might be the best setup heading into this week. And we have earnings coming up kind of far away. I think in mid-February, we have their earnings. So HTZ, guys, keep your eyes on it. I'm telling you, man, it's looking pretty good here if it breaks 420. And before we go over the last two stocks, make sure to sign up to my email list, guys. I'm sending out my top stocks every single week. And the beautiful thing is it's free. Literally free, $0, no catch, nothing like that. Put your first name and your email address using that link down below, and you're in there. It's free, just like subscribing here on YouTube, on the main channel, on the second channel, which is linked down below, by the way, guys. All of it's free, right? Go check it out, guys. Feel free to sign up. Stock number 4 is Enovix. Let me pull it up, which we've covered this one before as well. Enovix, I think it's how you pronounce it. Enovix, whatever. ENVX, that's the important thing. The ticker symbol. They have 30% short interest right now. Very high, as all these stocks are very high up there. And this one, you guys can see, is beaten up a little bit in the short term, but it's still holding trend. We hit $16, believe it or not. So I guess we did. Yeah, I mean, we've covered this before, and it's been at least a week or two since the last update video. So I think this one, last time we covered it, must have been in the $8 to $10 to $12 range. We got all the way to $16, guys. Now we're on the pull down. You guys see this. Let's see if it's getting ready for another move here, kind of like what we caught last time, right? So ENVX at this point, guys, it's pretty imperative for it to hold $11 and start breaking back over 11 towards 12. And if it does, man, this could really be a runner again. So I'm going to set my alert at, where should I put it? Maybe $11.25. Mark is at or above. We'll keep it there for now. And I have another one at $12.75. We'll keep that there for now. So that is ENVX. And the last stock on the list, ladies and gentlemen, is ticker symbol REKR. Rekor Systems, I believe, is what the company's called. And this one clearly has, crazy amounts of momentum. We went from 78 cents all the way to $3 just about 2-3 weeks ago, guys. And since that point, we've cooled off. Now we're at $1.60 while we're holding trend. It looks like here consolidation has been taking place over the last couple of days. Now I'm just waiting to see if we get the breakout after this consolidation, right? So I'm going to set my alert at $1.70 for now. Mark is at or above. This one's got 27.5% short interest, so obviously it's up there. But yeah, I mean this one really, the way I think it's going to play out, we got the initial pop, we got a lot of profit taking, we shook out a bunch of weak hands. Now are we going to get another move? That's what I'm waiting for. I think we could potentially do that if we break $1.70. We break this 50 SMA on the 4-hour chart, we could be going $2 plus easily again, in my opinion. But guys, please do your own research. Nothing's guaranteed in the stock market, man. Nothing's guaranteed. And if somebody tells you something is guaranteed, turn around and run the other direction. So let me know your thoughts in the comments. Hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe here on the main channel and the second channel, Stas Talks Money. That is linked down below. And guys, don't forget to get your free stocks for Mumu. Open up your account, deposit at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $2,000. You get 25 more stocks, guys. And overall, your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, it is a no-brainer. So use that link down below or simply go to stasurfest.com/Mumu. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.